behalf of the community, the Kwesai, and on behalf of all the traditional ruler in council and the entire people of the Kwesai, we thank the organizer, Ego, for bringing this dialogue. It is a matter of fact that this is a common violation of children. It is a common activity practiced by many people in SI and other areas in Nigeria. For us to start or kickstart this virus in the community level, I appreciate it. And we are very, very ready to stand by those laws so that we give penalty and punishments to any person who fall or violated these laws. We have been seeing so many children who is of school age, instead of that person to go to the school, he will be walking around. And we see a lot of them, instead of doing the right thing, he will be abusing his right. We will be sure. And I am very, very sure that with my council and the entire people of SI, we will abide with that. Thank you and God bless you.